It's 9 p.m. and I haven't put a single thing in a bag. Tomorrow, I move to Europe. What is going on, lovely people? Today is my last day in the States. So that means packing. No, I have not packed anything. And yes, I'm packing everything today. Some things are last minute. And you know, when you're moving 5,000 miles away from home to a new place where you don't speak the same language, you don't pack early. You pack the day before. Most European countries use this plug here. So simply, this is an adapter. Essentially, my plug is going to go into this, and yeah, there you have it. So I can plug into this, and then I'll be able to plug it into the wall. But I have a bigger adapter that I can travel with. So the idea is that I'm just gonna plug this prong into the wall. My extension cord's gonna go into here, and then I'll be able to plug everything in. That way I don't have to use as many of these adapters like this. I'll be able to use the one big one. I can plug my extension cord into it, and then just plug my electronics into it, just like I would here. So I think that's gonna help me out. It's just an idea, but I think it's gonna work. I wanna give a shout out to Blake Arnold and Blake Boatwright for buying me a coffee via my link below. Buy me a coffee. Appreciate it, guys. Cheers. Well, here we are. It's 9 p.m. and I haven't put a single thing in a bag. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. The packing begins first. We start with the shoes. Here's the shoes, and they are going in this bag here. Join me. Time for the belts. We're entering the fun zone. Yeah, the zone that's critical to this move. Socks, shorts, pants, shirts, button downs, polos, jackets. I'm about to go through this one and this one. Here we are, just an absolute mess. Let's sort this. So it's gonna be a long day tomorrow. I'm gonna be filming the shot of the plane. And the shot of the screen with all the flight information. I'm finished sorting them. So now let's pack. I feel like I gotta give a disclaimer for my packing here. The packing was so easy, and you saw me just throw it in there. But I should disclaim, it was like underwear and athletic shirts, and it's like gym clothes. So it does need to be folded. So that's why it was so easy. So don't overthink it, you know? Don't overthink it. Simple, simple. I just put all my pants in my suitcase. I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting tired, I'm getting worn out. I'm gonna power through. Almost done. So I definitely just hit what you call a snag. I realized that I was packing way too many clothes. I'm in the process of downsizing. Got rid of some pants, I'm gonna get rid of some shirts that I really just don't need to take. I'm gonna end up buying stuff there that I want, and I'll just have way too much going on. So I think I'm gonna downsize. This is my last night in the States. I can't believe it's finally here. It's been a year and 4 months since I started planning this and decided I was really gonna do it. I don't even know what to say. Tomorrow, I move to Europe. Until then, peace. What's up? Today's the day. It's finally here, and it's happening, and I don't even know how to feel. But you're gonna come with me. I've arrived. Headed to the gate. Just arrived, about to grab lunch, a coffee, which I need bad. Flight's at 1:15. Made it to Chicago. Next stop, Zurich. Let's go. Flight to Zurich. Made it to Zurich. Flight to Ljubljana. Reading my book. I have arrived here in Slovenia. Local time, 10 a.m. So I left at 9 a.m. on the 24th of September, and I'm arriving at 10 a.m. on the 25th of September. Made it to Ljubljana. Here we are outside. We're walking to the school now, so that will be up next. Hey beautiful people, today is my first day of graduate school orientation, so I'm heading to that now. I did visit the school yesterday. It's a little far of a walk. It's about 35 minutes. Really, I'm hoping to meet the lady Martina, who has helped me so much with the process. Every question I've had, she's been able to answer, and obviously I've had a ton of questions. So I left the Airbnb this morning. The weather did not show rain, so I was not expecting this. It was a light drizzle when I left, so I just thought, it's nothing, just a little fog setting into this mountain valley. And I was probably, I don't know, 8-10 minutes into my walk, I realized, okay, it's actually raining. I turned around and I was going back, so I decided to stop and buy an umbrella. And I asked the guy, hey, how much is the umbrella? He said €5. I said, perfect. He said, cash only. And I said, oh my gosh, I don't have cash. I was like, do you take card? He said, no, I don't take card. And then he calls over his booth mate, the lady beside him who sells clothes. And he said, hey, he said something in Slovenian and asked her essentially to take the payment and they would pay each other back. And I was like, wow, that's the first culture experience that I've noticed. I don't think I've ever experienced that. Someone taking card payment, a different company, and then paying the guy in cash because he only takes cash. Join me on this sock balling experience. Terrible thing to say. Join me as I pair these socks. It's a little better. Join me as I pair these socks. Oh, hey there. How's it going? Yes, I'm packing this entire day for a 2-year move, and I didn't pack before today at all, and I leave tomorrow morning, but I'm gonna get it done today. Am I in the screen? I don't feel like I am. What's up, team? Can you hear me? Can you see me? Do you see this cord? Is it in the middle of the screen? Because I feel like it is. I have a few. All right, I have a few. Hold on one second. Hold on one freaking second.